Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, simply right click on the start icon and then select settings. So on this window, select apps, then just scroll down and search for optional features. So here it is, click on it, then again just scroll down from related settings, click on more Windows features, expand it. Then once we are here, we need to just expand this Hyper-V, and after that check this and check the first one. You can also select the second one also, but make sure that you have to check the first one, Hyper-V management tools. And so you can also check this one, click on OK. So it will try to search for the required files and it will apply the changes. We need to wait for it to complete the process. So after that we need to just restart the system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys, your problem is solved, you're good to go. And don't forget to like the video, please do subscribe the channel.